is a dollhouse problem. Oops, looks like Cakey got fakey. Here we go.
Marlena, bring me my yoga mat. Oh, pulling out the wishbone. You are really trying to destroy the universe right now, aren't you?
Stuart.